Hey, this is Justin McKissick Larry at TradeMo.co. I want to teach you exactly right now what you will do to make money trading when you take my course. And this is a simple concept. This concept is called swing trading. Okay? Swing trading is when you leave your trades open for hours. Okay? So every hour you see these black and white lines. The black line is the sell line because it started from the top and went to the bottom. The buy started from the bottom, went to the top. Is the white line. Those are called candlesticks. Every hour, a new candlestick gonna form all the way to the right. All these candlesticks to the left is the past. It show you what happened in the past. Okay. So charts, all they do is just record the past. Okay. So what you want to do is know what's going on with the present. So what I do, it just makes sense to me. What I've seen using moving averages, it took me a while to create these parameters, but after creating it, it works perfect. These moving averages showed me something. Every time this blue line, this moving average went over the gold line, and if I would have kept the trade open from there all the way up, it went up. Price went up. And I also noticed when the blue line was under the orange line, price always went down. And look all the way to the right. You see how I'm going down? That would have been pips. Imagine just catching all those pips. Okay. So let me backtrack a little bit. Let me go back a little bit to the past. I want to show you what you could have did last week. And today is the 3rd of December, 2022. So this is the market is closed right now, but let me show you. So each one of these lines, all the way over here, represent a week. I mean a day. Okay. So this is Friday right here. Thursday. Make it a little bit bigger. Wednesday, Tuesday. Make it a little bit bigger. All right. So hold on, y'all. Just stick with me. So Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday. Okay. All right. So follow the price. How many pips? I'm gonna have to count this. I'm gonna write this shit down. I'm gonna do the math, or we're gonna do the math some kind of way, so I can show you how many pips you could have caught last week just by trading like this. And you got to just follow the directions. So all the way over here, you see how it's right here in the middle, showing like in the center. All right, follow this. But then you can also look to the right and see how many pips you would have caught. So let's just say you would have got in from, let's start from here, in from there. What's that starting at? Like 1.21081. I'm writing this stuff down myself. So what I said it was 081 or something. All right, about right up on that. Now, if we go all the way down, kept that trade open, you could have kept that trade open all the way down to 120902. Okay, so you basically caught about 100 pips almost right there within a day, and that's with us about an hour. That would have been just a day up in here. Okay. Then it would have came up a little bit, like you would have got stopped out a little bit, a small loss. But then look again, you would have got in about right here. So let me write this down. This is 12085 9. So that's 100 pips. And I'm steady writing all this stuff down. All right, so let's say from about right there, all the way down to about right here. That would have been at 1.205. 5, 6, 7. That's a lot of pips too. That's about shit. That's like 100 pips too. I think I'm writing something wrong down or something like that. But no, that's more than that. That's a lot of pips. Look, y'all, I don't got time to be counting all these damn pips. But look, you see what I'm saying? If you left the trade open when the blue went over red, I mean, there. Look at the price all the way to the left. What happened? And I right here. Blue went over, went under orange, right? Look how many pips if you just kept that open by the hour. See what I'm saying? And look, when the blue went over, look how many pips. About right up in there, look how many pips. This is all pips will give me profit, y'all. If you just kept it in by the hour swing trade like this. And look, y'all, these are by the day. Look, this still within a week. Look at all these pips, man. That shit ridiculous. By the hour. I mean, what else? What else do I need to say to you? You can use this trading style on anything. People always talking about you use trader view, trader view. I mean, I don't make the indicator that far as EA that you can put on your signal on there, but you can still take this trading style and run with it on anything for real. Swing trading is swing trading. It don't matter what chart. That's why people sometimes about can this work on crypto stock? Yeah, it's just all it's doing is moving averages, tracing price at different speeds. That's what moving averages do. You can adjust these moving averages to move at different speeds, and this is the speed it took me a long time to come up with, but it's pretty accurate. The number one thing you have to do is just trust that it works and do it. Sometimes at times, to be honest, I lose my own self and my own strategy and stuff, but it works. You must have. I've used it before in the past and it worked. That's how my son. I was able to teach my 14-year-old how to trade. You know what I mean? But we gotta trust that's what's doing the price. As long as you can trust it, you know what I mean. But you don't have to trade real money first. You can do demo money. That's the great thing about this. So you're learning how to do this, how to keep these trades open based on these moving averages. My course only $99. This is easy as hell. You buy my parameters, you're getting the EA, it's going to give you the signals, and you learning a new skill. You're going to learn, a simple strategy that works. And it's the proof right here in the pudding what happened in the past. Again, every time the blue was over the orange, it went up. Every time the blue was under the orange, it went down. That's our profit when you keep your trades open like that by the hour. This is Justin, and this is TradeMo.